In this video, I'm going to show how to create and modify annotation tags in the Property tool. As a first step, sign in to your account so the extra functions became available. After signing in, choose the Annotations option and click on it. Now, two new options appear: Create new annotation tag and Close. Having created the new tag, by moving the mouse, we can place it anywhere in the tool. Now click here on the wall to place it, since now we want to share more information about the wall itself. Give your tag a name. Let's name it Partition Wall now. This name will appear if I move the cursor on it. Let's choose a suitable icon. This time I choose this small technical icon and I choose the yellowish color. I also set the saturation. After this, you can start to edit the annotations by clicking on the tag itself. Technically, this is a simple text editor. Here you can enter everything that is worth to know about the partition. For example, let's tell something about the material of the partition wall. The material of the partition wall is Porotherm 10. Now I align the text to the center and I make it a little bit bigger. I could also type in the material's advantages, but instead of it, I look it up on the internet. Enter Porotherm 10 in Google so I can find the producer's website where I can find information about Porotherm 10. I could simply copy the link, then paste it to the text editor, but now I want to add new content. So, now I copy the content itself from the website and I insert it into the editor. After pasting, the text keeps the original formatting. Now it's time to see further options. Let's see how you can upload an image. The source of the image does not matter, it works the same way. You move the cursor on the image, click the right mouse button and choose the Copy Image URL option. If you click on it, you can copy the image and insert it into the text editor in the cursor's position. If you click on the OK button, you can see that the picture is fully embedded into the field. If you click on the picture, you can set its size as well. Now press Enter multiple times and insert something even more interesting, for example a video. Search for a video about the Porotherm brick on the internet. This time I will copy this YouTube video. click on the link, copy it either from the address bar or the share menu, then click on the video icon in the editor. Insert the link with right click. From this moment, anytime you click on it, the video will be playable within the annotation tag. You can also place buttons, forms and sheets. The point is that the annotations can be fully customized. What is this good for? For example, you can share some photos of a certain detail if you want, or you can insert a drone footage, an energy performance certificate, or some simple photos for visualization. Let's see the way it looks after you finished editing. Click on the Save button so the tag is displayed in the tool. If it's not in its right place, simply grab it, then drag it wherever you want while being in the Annotations menu. If you are ready, close the Annotations menu. Sign out or reload the tool to see what the visitor sees. If you click on the partition wall, you can see the Annotations content opening up. You can see the other annotation tags, for example here, the view of the mountains, in which you can see pictures, videos and the text, while here you can see a simple text.